Bluetooth not working. You've tried to connect your Bluetooth device to your PC, Windows 10, Windows 11, even Windows 7, but it's not connecting. Then here's what you need to do, guys, to fix this issue. In today's video, I'll give you 3 steps that you need to follow and be sure so that your Bluetooth device will be able to connect with your PC. First is very simple. Come to this place here, then the search bar here, type in services. This button comes up, open it. Once you click on it, then here scroll down to Bluetooth support service. This button, Bluetooth support service, click on it. Once you click on it, then right click on it, select properties. Once you've selected properties, then go to startup. Here is what is on manual, so you need to change this one to automatic. First tap on this place to stop it. Now that I've stopped it, come to this place, click on automatic, click on apply, then go ahead and click on OK. Now right click on it again, click on start button. That is first thing you need to do. Then click close this. Try connecting your Bluetooth to your PC if it works, and if it does not work, then let's move to the next step. Click on this start button, click on settings icon, click on Bluetooth and devices here. Now come to this place, make sure that this button is turned on. If this button is off, then your device will not be able to recognize any Bluetooth devices. So click on it and turn it on. Once you click on it and turn it on, then try to connect to your Bluetooth device. As well, look at the keyboard of your device. If there is any button that is assigned to Bluetooth, tap on that button to turn it off and turn it on. And if tried this and it does not work, then let's try the third process. This is very simple. Come to this place, write device manager. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. Now expand Bluetooth. Now you have a lot of Bluetooth here. Now locate this particular that says Intel wireless Bluetooth here. Right click on it, then update the drivers. Click on this button to search automatically. Then if it tells you that the base driver has been installed, then you are good to go. Close this window. Then right click on it, click on disable icon, click on yes. Once you click on yes, right click on it again. Here you should see enable, click on it again, click on yes. Then try restart your computer and see if it will connect to the external Bluetooth or other Bluetooth devices. And if it does not connect, then right click on it, click on install button. Make sure that this button is not checked, leave it blank. Click on install option to uninstall the Bluetooth driver on your device. Once you've uninstalled it, come to this action button here, click on this scan for hardwares. Click this place, then click on action button, click on scan for hardwares, then let it scan. It brings back the Bluetooth. Another thing you have to take a look at is if you know the name of the device you try to connect. Like here now, you see that I've connected my iPhone to this device, and I've connected another Microsoft Bluetooth device to this. So if you take a look at this, maybe the software of that particular device, or I mean the drivers of that device you are connecting is not working, then just try right click on it, update and repeat the process I've explained in this video. So this should be able to fix all the Bluetooth errors on your PC running on Windows 10, Windows 11, possible Windows 7. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video about how you can solve Bluetooth issue on your device, and you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and drop your comments in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on my next video.